You might want to get that change. We're having it taken care of right now. Wait, I have it. You have a piece of tape? Anybody has a piece of tape? You do. Does anybody have any tape? Juggle for 1 minute. Oh, wait. Oh, we got tape. We got tape. Okay. That was your first test. That was your second. Okay, so the object of this game is to find the marked club. It has yellow tape on its knobs. And we will be juggling around you, and this club will travel around this triangle several times. And at the end, if you can guess which club is the marked one, you will be given a prize. Usually we have a grand prize, but today the grand prize will be gratitude. But only if you find the club. And today for you, Annabelle, we have this ultra recycled zipper hat. Okay, just to remind everyone, the marked club is here. Follow it with your every last breath. Here it is. Up! Up! 1.
No, it's trial number 1.
I believe he said trial number 1. So, Mark's club is once again here. Up! Up! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now that
Was trial number 2.
Where is the Mark's Club? The Mark's Club is here once again. This time follow it so we don't have to mess up. I mean, so we don't have to give you another trial. Oh! Oh! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Up! 3.
I don't think anyone noticed.